Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then select alarm over here and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can choose repeat and pick days of the week manually. When you're ready, go back and tap on alarm name. Label your alarm however you wish to and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the switchers next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable those features and tap on ringtone. Now you can finally pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on select from files and pick music from your device by tapping on the song and going back twice. When you're ready, save your alarm by clicking at the top right corner, and as you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on the switcher next to it and picking one of those options. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you can do that by tapping on edit at the top left corner, tapping on one of your alarms, I will go with that one, and choosing delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!